What is up, YouTube fam? Back at the Del Sol here. Gonna do some speakers today. Show you what I got here for. Got some Pioneers, baby. Gonna put the Pioneers in today, and they are going in the back. And we are going. Have to take a couple panels off, but should be nothing to it. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take that panel off, and then take that one over there. You're not supposed to just take the speaker great little cover off. You're supposed to take this one off, and there's a couple screws that you have to get on that panel over there before you can take it off. So I'm gonna start on this one, and then of course work my way on the outsides, take them out and look at the old speakers. All right guys, so I have the center one off, and it just kind of pops off. You have these little holes here and just plastic pieces clip in there, so you just grab a hold of it, kind of from the top. You just kind of wedge it back. I kind of started at the end over here, started here and worked my way back down that way, pulled it off. Then I came down here over at the bottom and pulled it off here and work my way back down. So what I'm going to do now is don't just go over here and grab this thing and try to pull this thing off, because it is held in with these screws here and here. So you got to undo these screws, and then it should just pop right off, kind of like somewhat like this. Yeah, so these aren't the stock speakers that came with the car in 1993. They do say Kenwood on them, but they're pretty beat up. Definitely need to be changed. But let me get this taken out and I'll show you guys. All right, so I got the speaker finally mounted in there. I actually had to take those brackets out on both sides and drill holes in there, and I had to put some extensions. Kind of added a few extra nuts there, and kind of had to fabricate it up. The speaker was actually rubbing on the mount, and it just wouldn't make a correct fit, so I actually had to do that. I'm actually kind of pleased with it. It's really not bad, but that's basically how you do it. I did end up having to take all my panels off. I ended up dropping a screw. That one right there, to get that bracket off, was a pain in the butt. So I ended up just taking off all my panels. Ended up taking this whole thing out, taking this one out, that side panel, took it completely out. Just made things a lot easier to actually screw that bolt back in. I don't know why I was having such a hard time, but I did do that. But anyway, yeah, that's it on that as far as that. Sweet. That is it. All right guys, well that's a video on how to install speakers in the back of your Del Sol. If you liked the video, please feel free to like and show us some love, and thanks guys, appreciate it.